Mastering Kitchen Talk. Turn the oven down. Explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very specific but common phrase you might encounter in the kitchen. Turn the oven down. Whether you're cooking at home or watching your favorite cooking shows, understanding this phrase can be incredibly useful. So, let's break it down together and make sure you're fully equipped to use it confidently in your daily English conversations. The phrase, turn the oven down, is a practical instruction you'll often hear or use while cooking. At its core, it means to reduce the temperature of the oven. This is usually requested when something is cooking too quickly, or a lower temperature is needed to cook a dish properly without burning or overcooking it. It's a key part of managing cooking times and temperatures to ensure that food comes out perfectly. You might need to turn the oven down in several scenarios. Baking. Certain cakes and pastries require a lower temperature after an initial period of high heat to cook thoroughly without burning the outside. Roasting. Meats or vegetables might start at a high temperature to achieve a sear or crust, then require a lower temperature to cook internally to the desired doneness. Adjusting recipes. If you're following a recipe and notice your dish is browning too quickly or the oven seems hotter than what the recipe suggests, you might need to adjust the temperature down. Turning the oven down is straightforward, but here are some tips to ensure you do it correctly. 1. Know your oven. Ovens can vary widely in how quickly they heat up and cool down. Familiarize yourself with how yours works. 2. Adjust gradually. When lowering the temperature, do it gradually. A sudden drop can affect the cooking process. 3. Use an oven thermometer. To ensure accuracy, use an oven thermometer. This is especially helpful if you suspect your oven's temperature settings are not accurate. The best way to become comfortable with the phrase, turn the oven down, and what it entails is through practice. Next time you're baking or roasting, pay attention to the cooking process and how adjusting the oven's temperature affects the outcome. Experiment with different dishes and note how slight adjustments can make a big difference in the final product. We hope this video has shed some light on the phrase, turn the oven down, and why it's such an important part of kitchen vocabulary. Remember, cooking is as much about language and communication as it is about ingredients and techniques. So, keep practicing, both your cooking and your English, and you'll find yourself becoming more confident in no time. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking!